those. What shirts? You want to give those to Daddy?
Daddy, here's... Hey, Santa got what you wanted.
Oh, boy.
Mommy, here's all you got.
Hey, Andy and Gracie, tell what's this here? What is that?
The Frozen Castle and Ice Palace. And there's Olaf. And watch this. He goes on.
Who got that?
Santa Claus. I wish we had the doll.
Did he eat his cookies?
Yeah. I wish we had the dolls.
Well, we've got lots of presents to open still.
Can we open up
I want to see some of this stuff in your stocking. What's that shirt? What's got on that shirt?
Oh!